Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can print directly from Canva, whether it's a document, an invoice, QR codes, or any other design you've created. Let's get into it. So let's assume you have some QR codes you want to print and hand out to people. The process is pretty simple. You can either use the Canva app on your phone or computer, or you can work directly from your browser. Start by opening your design in Canva, then click on the Share button at the top right and select Download. Once you're in the download settings, click on File Type. For printing, PDF print is the best option because it ensures high quality. You'll also see PDF Standard, but that's more for digital use. If you want, you can include notes, flatten PDFs, or add crop marks and bleeds. There's even an option to adjust the color profile to match your printer's requirements. Next, choose the pages you want to print. You can select all pages or just specific ones. Click Done, then Download. Once your file is downloaded, open it on your computer and use your printer to print the design. That's it. You now have high quality prints straight from Canva. Extra tip, if you're printing multiple copies, double check your printer settings for paper size and orientation. For bulk printing, consider saving your designs in PDF print format on a USB drive so you can take it to a professional print shop if needed. This way, you'll always get sharp, accurate prints, and that's how you can easily use Canva to print your designs at home or elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this helpful, and until next time, take care and happy printing.